guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vicky and I'm back again with another video. So today we're going to do an unboxing video. Yes, it's going to be different. I'm not doing any hair tutorial today. This thing I'm about to unbox, I've been wanting it for a very long time, which is the 3-side mirror. So I've been really wanting it for a very long time, and like I've tried to look for it everywhere, but I couldn't get it. Then I think late last year I saw this vendor on Instagram here in Nigeria that was selling it, and the price, oh my god, the price was the problem. It was at that moment I remember that I have someone that does importation, like this China importation. Then I contacted my cousin and then I told her, I just sent her the picture of what I wanted, and she was like, okay, she will get this for me. A few days later she sent the pictures of what I wanted, and then she gave me options. Yeah, there were two options, one without LED lights and then the other one with LED lights, and I went for the one with LED light, and it was super affordable, like very affordable. I think everything I spent, I'm not sure it was up to 40,000. Yes, I'm going to put the price like somewhere here on the screen. Yeah, this includes the amount I got, the lights, the shipping cost, and then shipping cost, and then sending it to my place here in Ogun State, Lagos. Yeah, she stays in Lagos and I stay here, so she has to send it down here as well. Anyways, let me show you. I'm super excited. Like I'm super excited about this new thing. Like something you've been wanting for a very long time, and now you have it. This thing has been in my possession for the past, I think 3 weeks or 4 weeks now. But I don't know. I was just thinking, I'm not ready to unbox it. I've just been keeping it to myself, but now I'm ready to use it. We're about to make a tutorial that needs it. So yes, I'm about to unbox. Now I have my scissors, so let's cut. Yes. Guys, I'm happy, like I'm super excited for this. This is it. This is it, guys. Let's see what's inside. Okay, you can see it's been opened. My cousin opened it immediately she got it, so she can confirm there was no damage. So yeah, that is why you're seeing that this place is open. Now let's see what's inside. Okay, that's this cord. Came with this. I don't know what this is, but we're about to find out. Came with this, and then see where they packaged it. Hey, finally. Okay. And it came with this paper. That's why I open. Oh my god, guys, look at this. So this is it. Wow, this is lovely. Guys. Wow, okay. Oh, I'm holding it upside down. Oops. Okay. It should come this way. And this one this way. And see, it has this button. Right here. This my god, this is interesting. Let's turn it off. Is my hand there? How do we turn that off? Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, let's see. One. Oh. Doesn't it have like, maybe I think the light is just, wait, okay, just on and off. You don't reduce, you don't increase the brightness. All right, now let's tear this off. Okay, let's tear this one off. Yes. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Here's this one. Yay. And then, okay, let's just leave it this way. And the final part, guys, look at this. This is beautiful. Honestly, this is beautiful. Wow. Okay, there's something at the back here. Okay, this is the stuff you use to hang it. And wow, I love that it is long. I love this. Super long. And it's very sturdy. Now, this thing that came with it, what did I put it? Let me hold this so I can see how it's been used. Okay, I found this thing. Oh, okay, I found where that goes in. So this thing goes inside. I'm not sure that goes in there. Let me open it. How is this going to work? I'm going to check how that works later. But now I'm excited. I'm super excited about this new purchase. Like I told you in the last video, I said this year I really want to take content creation very serious, and also my natural hair, I want to take it very serious from now. And getting this is actually part of me taking content seriously this year. Yeah, after this video I'm going to make a video using this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's end it here. So I'll see you in the next video. Guys, please don't forget to comment, like this video, share if you can please, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.